What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're doing a quick and easy recipe in the Power XL air fryer. We're making chicken strips. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it. So let's get started. What you're gonna need for this recipe is one whole chicken breast, or a few if you wanna make a little bit more. Some sugar, some lemon juice, some breadcrumbs, some cornstarch, some panko. Now this is optional. And I'm using my signature spice blend, the 905 seasoning. You can check that out on my website, or you can use your favorite seasoning. Some milk, some Pam, and a mixing bowl, and some mixing tools, and a knife. So let's get started with our chicken breast. We're gonna go ahead and cut that straight down the middle, almost like a butterfly. We'll make a little heart, and we're gonna go with the grain and cut them into strips. We'll place them into the bowl, and we'll go ahead and get our marinade ready. You're gonna need some sugar, some milk, some lemon juice, some cornstarch, and your favorite seasoning, or in my case, the 905 signature blend. We'll give that a nice little mix, and we'll go ahead and pour that directly over all of our chicken breasts to coat it perfectly. Now you want to let that sit for at least 30 minutes in your refrigerator, or if possible overnight. Once done, drain all the liquid and go ahead and give it a little extra love with some extra seasoning, some cornstarch to completely coat your chicken. Go ahead and give that a mix. And then from there, we want to add in our breadcrumbs. And if you want it a little bit extra crispy, go ahead and add in the panko, which is an optional item for this recipe. Just like that. We want to go ahead and get our racks ready by spraying them so that nothing sticks, and we'll go ahead and lay our strips down. And then from there, you got two perfect racks ready to go to put directly into our Power XL air fryer. Now this is the 10-quart model, so it is a little bit larger than maybe others, but we're gonna go ahead, set it for 370, and we're gonna do 20 minutes with 10 minutes being flipped, and rotate the racks just for even cooking. It's one of the secrets to one of these air fryers is you gotta kind of rotate racks and give them a flip so that they get perfectly cooked on both sides. Your meal is pretty much done. Get your plate ready, get your favorite sauce out, and go ahead and get ready to enjoy. So thank you guys for watching another quick and easy recipe. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, take care.